Hello everyone, and welcome to the studio vlog. Here's my little gallery wall to the left of my desk with some photography and images I've made using Caran d'Ache crayons. Above my desk there's some lettering prints I've made. Some are printed and some are the originals. Time for a coffee. So now I'm searching for some inspiration, looking up some positive quotes, and then using Unsplash and Image Library for some floral image references. Here's my big bin pencil case with all the pens that I sometimes dip into. Got far too many pens. And here's my much more manageable pen pots that I use on a daily basis. A little separate pot for acrylic pens. These are really good. My paintbrushes. The sharpeners. Guitar picks. Oh, it nearly fell off. My iPad to the right of me, where I've been making some GIFs. My printer and guitars in the background. So I'm going to pick out some pens and pencils to do some sketching. I love this pen. These are great as well. Papermate. The idea here was to just fill the paper up with as many ideas as I could come to mind. Just doodling away, just to fill the page up really. Lettering and some floral doodles. So here I picked one of the lettering quotes I was doodling, and now I'm filling up one sheet just with that quote, but drawing it in many different ways as I can. Taking full advantage of this pen and the texture it gives you when you draw with speed. Now I'm filling up a page with all the flourishes I might need. Daisies, stars, dots. I missed. Now it's time to scan them in, so I'm starting the printer up. Head over to scan. Grabbing my artwork. And placing it in the scanner in the right corner. And on the computer I'm changing the settings to black and white and the resolution to 600 dpi, and then I'm hitting scan. So believe it or not, I actually recorded this screen recording about 4 times and it disappeared from my computer. So here's a really brief version of the screen recording I did for the 4th time. Isolating out the text and flourishes, cutting out all the daisies here, and merging them into a background, erasing them from where the text is, and filling up the whole sheet full of daisies, and then recolouring the artwork to white and adding a background of an ochre yellow orange. Here I scaled up the artwork to fit A5 on an A4 sheet of paper so I could print it. So I'm opening up the scaled down artwork and I'm sending it to my printer, selecting borderless printing from the menu. And here it comes. I love this printer, such high quality. Looks great. So now I'm just going to guillotine off the extra white paper from the print. Making sure to line it up. And it's hard to use a guillotine with one hand, so bear with me. There we go. It looks great. Now I'm getting some salmon pink washi tape that I had to hand, and I'm going to add that to the top of the print. And find a spot on my wall that seemed like a good spot. There we go. And a little bit more tape at the bottom of the image. It looks so good. I'm really pleased with how this turned out. It's such a great exercise to go from sketching, filling up a sheet of ideas, picking one, finalising it, scanning it in and making a final piece of artwork. And this is now for sale on my website, Lyrical Lettering. And if you don't already, follow me on Instagram, Lyrical Lettering Co. I love the texture that pen gives. There's the final artwork. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. And yeah, if you'd like to see me make other lettering projects in the future, hit like and subscribe and give me a follow. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.